Imagine that 2024 is the year when you start achieving your goals and living your dream life. And now stop daydreaming and start taking action. Here's the step-by-step plan of how to get your life together before the new year begins. Choose the one thing you want to pursue, not necessarily for a year, but for the current season. Life is a series of seasons. Be careful with choosing the right focus for each of them. And don't hesitate to shift this focus as soon as you need to. But what about balance? For several years, balance has been my ultimate goal, but I never achieved it, and I'm happy. I realized that balanced people don't change the world, passionate people do. When you focus on one thing and ruthlessly cut out all the rest, only then you can achieve success. So do more what is meaningful and beneficial for achieving your future goals. Forget about balance. Set habits in every key area of your life. Of course, you need to focus on one thing that you want to achieve. For example, I want to focus on YouTube. But that doesn't mean that you should neglect your health, family, etc. You need to keep up with your life and work by doing the one thing in each of the key areas. And these habits should be quite easy and simple to repeat them every day. To define the key areas of your life and these habits, ask yourself these questions. What's the one thing I can do to help others? What's the one thing I can do to improve my relationship with God? What's the one thing I can do to relieve my stress? For example, I brainstormed new things I want to do in the next 30 days and in the future year in key areas of my life: health, YouTube, and life organization. For YouTube, I need to consistently improve the quality of content for you guys. For my health, I need to ensure that I exercise enough, have a proper skincare routine, and fuel my body with wholesome foods. And to get organized, I need to establish clear systems of goals and habits, about which will be my next video. Daily to-do lists. What's the one thing I can do today for whatever you want, so that everything else becomes unimportant? Again, here we not just mention one thing and one key area of your life. Mention as many areas as you need to and write down all the tasks for each day the night before. For example, one thing, or maybe it happens that not only one thing matters, maybe a couple of them, for health, for your work, for family, etc. Regarding to-do lists, throughout my life, I tried so many different types of them. Apps like Todoist, Notion, Google Keep, Google Tasks, and finally I found what works for me for now, which is Microsoft To Do. It's available across all platforms, easy to use, has a neat design, and an uncomplicated and handy system for task management. But you need to find what works for you. Decorating my workspace with reminders like, until my one thing is done, everything else is a distraction. All these reminders I found in the book The One Thing, and they inspired me so much that I decided to decorate my workspace as well. So here's how it turned out. Watch this video if you want to stop procrastination, and let me finish this one with the quote: "Success is doing the right thing in the right place at the right time."